Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to mount this chair, Axkid Minikid chair, in the car. This is one of these chairs that goes in the contrary direction that the car goes. So for a start, remember, safety is number one priority. So for a start, we are going to move the chair of the passenger to ahead. Let's go. Now we have to install the belts in the structure of the passenger chairs. So let's see how we do it.
We have to pass one side of the belt under the structure of the automobile chair. Then we pass the buckle through one of the holes of the belt. It depends on the size of your car. You have to measure it, the more convenient to get to the chair. And then you have to pull from the buckle side to tighten the belt.
Now we are going to place the chair in position. We get the chair, so should go like this, and we have to put it straight. We have one bar here. We can press it, so we can move this bar. So let's make it to be straight. Okay, now we extend this bar to the floor. Like this is fine. And now we are going to install the belt around the chair. So let's see how we do it. We insert the belt through this hole, and now we have to insert the belt behind this
Cover.
through the
Cover.
and we get it from the other side. Okay. We insert through the hole and down.
And now we insert the belt into the socket.
We pull very strongly, as much as we can.
Now we pull strongly from the other side and close the clamp.
Now we come back to this side and we press tightly and close
the clamp.
We have to reposition this bar.
Now we extend these clamps.
Now we need to push down the chair in both sides like this. As you can see, the chair is very right, it doesn't move, so it's well installed like this. Okay, my friends, this is all for today. I don't want any responsibility in this, so it's the safety of the kids, but it's well installed. So thank you for watching and see you in next video.